Channel and back to Python series, the Python tutorial. Today the topic we are going to see is arrays in Python, one of the important data structure with the demonstration in on Python ideally 3.80 version, the latest version of Python ideally software. And in the previous session I explained about regression, what is regression and how can you use and implement a regression in Python programming and functions also. You can check the playlist and clarify notes. Let's go for session today. Today's session helpful to learn. The topic is called what is an array, how to represent an array representation, how to represent array, how to create array representation, and also some of the basic operations, and also how to create arrays in Python, and also accessing array elements in the sense how to access the array elements and print the elements, and also adding and removing elements of the array, how can add and delete the elements of the array, and at last array concatenation, how to combine the two different arrays. So what is an array? It's also similar to C programming language. We may study it, and moreover array is one of the common concept available in the most of the programming language today. What is an array? It's defined as a collection of items that are stored at continuous memory locations. Continuous memory locations. And also you can say it's a container which can hold a fixed number of items, and these items should be the same of the type. And also the idea of array is what? Storing multiple items of the same type together, and it makes easier to calculate the position of each element by simply adding an offset to the base value. A combination of the arrays could save a lot of time by reducing the overall size of the code. Remember why we go for array concept? Because it saves a lot of time by reducing the overall size of the code. That's the main one. And also it also used to store multiple values in a single variable. For example, I can create an array called car1 is called Fiat, like that. Let's go. And also the array can be handled in Python by a module named array. So remember, whenever you use the array concept, you need support of a module called array. And also it is useful when you have to manipulate only specific data values. Some of the terms helpful for understand the concept of array, that is called element and index. What is an element? Here each item stored in an array is called an element. For example, given a of 0, a of 1, a of 2 given, that is called element. And also index, the location of an element in the array has a numeric index which is used to identify the position of the element. For example, we have ABC, the A represents the A of 0, B represents the A of 1, and C represents the A of 2, and so on. Then array represents, how to represent array? There will be an array can be declared in various ways and different languages, but here remember, here also similar to C programming, in Python also the index always start with the 0 value, and also we can access together each element via its index, and also the length of the array defines the capacity to store the elements. So here some of the basic array operations and how to create arrays in Python continuously. So you can do some of the basic operation arrays in Python, where you can do like some of the operations called traverse, insertion, deletion, search and update. First one, traverse, that means what? It prints all the elements one by one. What are the array elements are giving A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, it will print one by one. And also insertion, it add an element at the given index. So already I have 1, 2, 3, I can add 4, like that. Deletion, it deletes the element at the given index. For example, 1, 2, 3 is I want to delete 3, I can delete it. Search, it searches an element using the given index or by the value. So given index means, for example, I want to search 2, I have a array called array 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I give A of 2, it go and search in the particular index whether the number 2 is available or not, like that. And also update, it updates an element at the given index. That's we go and see the small programs where you can understand better way or Python scripts. So how in updates means are just changing the elements. And also the array can be created in Python by importing array model, just I told you, to the Python program from. So whenever you try to create array, syntax is must get followed from array import, or you can use import array, like that, some array name, then you can follow the syntax, that is array name is equal to array of type code comma initializers, violating here from array import, or you can use import array, like that, based on ideally or Python software compilation name, and you can use names equal to array of type code comma initializers, where you can give the type of array and the data type of array I or whatever there, and you can give the numbers 1, 2, 3, ABC, whatever you want, like that. Right, now accessing array elements. So let's go for the practical demo. Before we check it, so I have one program called a1.py. I am writing the Python script here. Import array as array. So I know just now I told you, when I use array, you must import the array model here. Then I am going to give create array A is equal to ARR dot array of I comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 8. So here I have elements called 2 4 6 8 and I want to print access. So print the elements. First element A of 0, then second element A of 1, and third element second last element A of 1, like that. So here what is the, I told you just now, index value of 0. So A of 0 means it will print 2, A of 1 means it print 4, and so on. So let's go for Python ideally here. So Python is so simple and easy language, that's why it is having number 1 position. So here I have in the desktop I have a program called a1.py. a1.py. So it's just a small program for creating an array and accessing elements. That means print the elements one by one. Yeah, here program just now I explained you. So here I want to print just first two elements, that is A of 0 and A of 1. Let's go for and execute the program. Python script. So it will print 2 comma. Yeah, successfully executed. I'm highlighting. So first element is 2, second element is 4, and so on. You want continue, you can continue third element and fourth element. What are the elements is there, like that. So like that you can use create and access the elements. So next. Next, the question is how to change or add elements in the array. So assume that I have a program called a2.py where I am writing the first is, just now I told you import array as array. Then I am going to create an array called numbers equal to array.array of I. Then I am going to give the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 7 10, like that. Now I want to change the first element. So I can give number of 0 is equal to 0. So here what is the 1 is it will be replaced by 0 now. And print number. So it will, what are the replaced elements, it go and print then 0 comma 2 comma 3 and so on. Similarly I am going to change the element third to fifth element. So I can give number of subscription operator 2 colon 5. So is equal to array.array of I comma I in the square bracket giving 4 comma 6 comma 8. That means I am going to update or change the value. That is also, if you, I already told about subscript and range operator everything. So we are just using a small range operator. So what will happen means in the given element what is 0 1 2 3. So the last 3 elements will be removed and replaced. So instead of 5 7 10 it go and print the 4 6 8 here. 4 6 8. Let's go for execution. So you can update, change value, whatever one you can do it here. So I have a program called a2.py in the desktop. a2.py. Yeah, it's a small program where I am doing the operation here. First I am going to update the first element and also I am going to change the third to fifth. Just now I told you. Let's go for execution. Execute. Yeah. So successfully executed. So I am highlighting here. So it array of I comma where I told first element 0 followed by 2 comma 3 comma 5 7 10. Next time I am updating third element to fifth element, so it printing replaced 4 6 8 replacing and followed by 7 comma 10, like that. So like that you can do change, update. Let's go for next one. Now how to delete elements from the array, remove or delete elements from the array. It's also so simple and easy. I have one small program where the script I am going to, here the elements can be deleted from array using Python del statement. So if you want to delete any value from the array, what you can do means you can do it by using the indices of the particular element. Example, you can say import array as array I am giving, and I am going to create an array called numbers equal to array.array of I of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So I am giving 3 2 times and give. Now what, delete the number of 2, that is index value number of 2. Where is the number of 2 here? Number of 0, number of 1, number of 2. So to remove the 3, at last it print the number. What are the remaining elements is that is 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Let's go for execution. Say I have a program called a3.py. So simple and understand how to delete operation in the arrays, given array. If you are beginner, these are very helpful to understand. So I have a small program. Okay, import I just now explained you. So I want to remove the second question. So just I can give directly use run module. So if you want directly, you can do edit the element, or you can do based on index also. Let's go here. Yeah, successfully execute the program and removed. The element is second position is removed, and remaining it printing the what are the elements in the array, printing like this. At last we go for array concatenation. So concatenation is what? Combining or adding or joining two arrays, different arrays. So we can easily do concatenation in Python programming also with the help of plus symbol. The previous lesson also told you what is a plus symbol like that. So example, I have a program called a4.py or a4.py script where I am writing first line, and a is equal to I am giving array of d comma 1.1, 2.1, 3.1 and so on, and another called b array where I am going to give 3.7 comma 8.6. Then I have to combine. So and I have another array I want to print it now, so I am giving another variable here, c is equal to array of d. Then I am going to give c is equal to a plus b. So I want to combine a and b value. At last I am print all numbers, so I am giving all the variables numbers. So I am giving print array c is equal to close inverted comma c. So this is a program called a4.py. Let's go for demo. So if you want to combine, you can combine two arrays or different three arrays also. Let's go for the program. The desktop I have. So array also one of the important data structure you have to remember. Now similar to set of dictionary and so on. So I have one more program, a4.py. So here what are the elements in a and b? It should be combine, concatenate and combine. At last you print in the c, merge two values and c. Let's go for execution. Yeah, successfully executed. Finally the above program printing the variables, combined variables of a and b values, say 1.1, 2.2, so 2.1, 3.1 so on. At last we have what? 3.7, 8.6 continuously. So like that you can do perform the concatenation operation also. So these are things you have to remember about the array. What is an array? How to represent an array? How to create an array? What kind of operation to perform with array? How to implement arrays in Python successfulully, and also how to add or delete elements and so on. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment in the Postbox CS channel and share with the friends. Thank you.